So we're here at Team 22. It's the last day of the show, and let's see who's here today and who we can talk to.
I set the pace when I'm running. I always take what I want and I always give it 100. Don't need a.
May I ask you, what is your favorite cyber media app?
I would say draw. Yeah.
And did you check out the new whiteboard macro?
Yeah. So I'm very interested actually in like the capabilities of whether it can do, any additional functionality like OCR and stuff like that. Yeah.
My favorite must be draw.io. I use it a lot. I suck at drawing, but using draw.io, I can make really cool charts and cool diagrams so I can show to people. I actually made a really complex diagram showing how our apps works. And when we were done, we were like, wow, that really works. It's awesome.
Let me think. I quite like Linchpin. I feel like it's the intranet solution out there.
So there are many apps which work really good at customers, but the one I really use at customers and on our end is draw.io. So I really love this one.
It will be draw.io. So it's just too easy to navigate. It's quite reliable. Fast to deploy.
Aura is the best, one of the best, because it's Aura helps to make more lovable the Confluence for non-technical users.
I am intrigued with draw.io. Yeah, I got to speak with some of your people this morning and learn about the collaborative whiteboard.
You like it?
I haven't tried it yet, so I'm super excited to go try it.
I will go for draw.io. The story behind it is when I was hired, the question, Alexis and Manon, so the creator of Twiby, they made us pass a little test, which was using draw.io, where we had to draw some workflows on it. And I really like it. I use it all the time.